Hi everyone, welcome to NDVA Educational YouTube channel. Today our Python program was string split and join. So in this program title itself, we can able to understand we need to split the string and after that we need to join that splitting string. So coming to the example, sample input and sample output here. We can directly understand the program requirement without reading the requirement also. So here I suggest read the program requirement for every program, whether we predefinedly understand the program requirement by seeing sample input and sample output also. So here sample input provided one string, like this is a string. We need to print our sample output as this hyphen is like that. Every space they insert one character like this. So we need to print whenever space is present, on that space we need to replace with this character. I will explain how to do how to develop this code for this logic. Here before that they provided some example related to this program requirement, like here a equal to here they statistically read the input. Actually we are reading the input like this: line equal to input of, if it is integer, line equal to into input of, like that. This is the dynamic reading of input, and here static reading of input mentioned. So a equal to a dot split off. Whenever this we are running this code, the output should be like this. This is a string, so this will be changing into like this after applying this code. So they provided some example related to this program requirement. These examples are mostly helpful to develop our code also. So I will explain to the program code for this requirement here. First they provided some syntax related to this program requirement. Here they assigned one function name, split and join. We can give anything without any spaces. If we mention spaces in the function or any variable, here line is there. If I take variable as line 1, like that, if I mention any space in between variable or function, it will be throwing error. If I take variable name like underscore or single line character, like that, that is no problem. So here I am highlighting spaces are not included in a variable and function. And here split and join is the function name, and we are passing this input value as we are reading input value in the subfunction here. So line equal to input of, this is already provided in the program sample code present in the editor. And as I mentioned here, here result equal to split and join of line. This is the function, right, we are declaring here. We can directly print this line instead of result variable. So I will remove this I will directly use that function in the print statement without writing extra line also. And now I am going to develop code here. So they mention write your code here, so I will remove here. I will start my code here. First this will be converted to like this. They provided like this. This is a string, right? Whenever we need to add any characters in between the string, we need to convert into list format like this. So for that I will assign one new variable. On that variable I will develop code. Here variable main usage was we can store any value like integer value, string value, float, boolean value, whatever values we can able to store in the variable. Here I did take line as input name, right? So line dot split off. So for by the, by I, while I am using this code, this will be converted into like this. So then we can able to as simply we can follow simply like this step. So for this input, it will be initially converted to like this. We can simply add our character single line is there. So this single line we can easily add between one word to other word. We are unable to add directly to this, so because of that we are converting this string to list format. By after converting this list format, after adding this character, and again it will be changed to the string by joining. So after writing the code I will explain. Next I will take another variable equal to b equal to as mentioned here. I will directly take this line only, Control C. According to the requirement we can use code if it is feasible. So I am adding this character in every words. So this is the one word, this is the one word, this is the one word, this is the one word. So every word in between I will add this character. So here why I am mentioned dot join of a means here a means this output, right? So I am mentioning for this output I need to add this character, and I will simply return return b value. Here b value will be this thing, so this thing I will return. So please focus on program, how can I develop the code for the requirement, and watch the program repetitively if not understanding. If any doubts, directly ping in the comment section. I am happily to explain again. So here I am using return b. When I am using return for the output, I did mention highlight this point multiple times. We can directly print our function. If I am using print function to print our output, then we don't need to print our function. We can directly write our function here. So I will try to execute my code. So this will be successfully executed. The main thing is, in first line we are converting this string to this first line. What is doing was this string converted to list like this. This is the list format. It will be converted. After converting the list, for this list I am adding one character by joining each and every word. So this and is in between I am adding this character, so that only I am developing this code here, mainly involving string to list and list to string. So here we can easily understand this is the string, right? This string I am converting first in my code as list. After that converting the string to list, again I am converting the list to string by using join function. If I am using join function, that will be converted into string value. So I will directly return that output value. In this way we are developing code for this split and join. So this is the one of the important concept which may be repetitively need to use on further more programs. Thanks everyone for watching. Thank you all.